If you've just got this brand new iPhone Air and maybe wondering how to add eSIMs since it doesn't have any physical SIM slot, let's see how to quickly activate multiple eSIMs on your Air. So for that, open Settings on your Air, go to Cellular, and just tap on Setup Cellular. Alright, so as you can see, it will prompt you if you want to transfer an eSIM from another iPhone which is nearby, or if you want to use a QR code provided from your cellular provider, or you want to transfer eSIM from your Android device. I want to add eSIM by using the QR code. So I'm going to tap on Scan QR code button. To add eSIM with QR code, you need to make sure you have the QR code. If you don't have it, want to use it, you'll have to contact your cellular provider. And if you want, you can manually enter the activation codes and details, or you can just simply use this camera to scan the QR code. Just place the QR code under the camera, let it scan, and when it's done, just press on the Continue button. And you'll be prompted whether you want to use it as travel eSIM for data or voice and data both. Now I'm selecting both, and after that press Continue, and just select whether you want to use it on low data mode or not. And that's it, your eSIM will be activated and listed in here. To add another eSIM, from the cellular section, go to Add eSIM. Now you might get a transfer pop-up in case you got other eSIMs on nearby iPhone. If it's not near, you'll get another other option. Just tap on it and just select the way to add eSIM just like before. Following the same way, you can add more than 2 or multiple eSIMs on your iPhone Air. But please remember, at the same time, only 2 SIMs will be active, and you can manually choose which SIMs you want to use. And that's how you can say goodbye to physical SIMs on your iPhone Air. Thanks for watching.